Hello friends, how are you doing today? I received a gift from Sebastian for Christmas. As you can tell, this is our Christmas tree. It's really plain and stuff like that, but we love it. Anyway, thank you very much, Sebastian. This is his first gift to me. I'm kind of like counting how many gifts are there gonna be. Anyways, so this one is a very special one. So I don't know what it is. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. And oh my, thank you, baby. And it's a iPad Pro. Ta-da! Oh wow. It's the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation Wi-Fi 256 gigabytes. So now I'm gonna be able to edit the videos as fast as I can. So yeah, so this is really very, very, very nice. I love it. Thank you, Sebastian. And then what color is it? Let's find out. So this is going to be our second iPad, the iPad that he has. It's not working anymore, I guess. So there you go. How do you do it? Oh, you do it like this one. Oh wow, it's so thin. I love it. Ta-da! And then, oh wow, it's so cute. Thank you, baby. Look, Carlo, Marcelo, Salcedo. So yeah, it's kind of like a customized one too, type of thing. Let me take a picture on that. Oh, that one's really cool. Oh wow. Ta-da! Oh, hold on, there we go. Oh wow. I think it's not charged though.
You have it all the time, Rita. Stay a long time.
Oh, there you go. Thank you very much. So this one is a two in the box. Of course, there's this one, and then designed by Apple, and then this one is the booklet, and then it tells you what it is. You have seen this one already for sure because you have had iPads already and stuff like that. Thank you very much, baby. This is a happy Merry Christmas type of thing. And then, of course, the sticker. Oh, there's like 2 stickers in there. A big one. And then it comes with the port, the plug. So this one and this wire. And then is there anything else? Nope, that's it. So let's see. I think it should be easier to, hello. Ah, that's so cute. So this is going to be a really Merry Christmas. It's so light. And then the very nice thing about this one is that it does have the a customized one. And then I hope I'm not gonna drop it. It has 89% right now. And then I'm setting it up to English, United States, and then continue. And then I think it would be easier to connect it with the phone, no?
Probably.
Set up without another device. So that whatever's on my phone, it's gonna be on this one, and whatever's on our MacBook, it's gonna be on this one too at the same time. And then, yeah, I love the color. Thank you very much. That's the first gift that he gave me. Would you mind? Oh, I'm kind of like asking for my phone, but we're videotaping on the phone. Oh, I can do a video in here too, no?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, yeah, because it's going to be a big one. I hope you like our first gift, the day one for, what's that one called? 12 days of Christmas. I like that. So this is gonna be that. I hope you like this one. This is the like I said, this one is the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation with Wi-Fi, 256 gigabytes. So yeah. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like this video, comment below. What do you think? What's the first gift that you have received for this Christmas? And I hope you will have a wonderful holiday this season. And then yeah, have a wonderful night or day or wherever you are. Thank you very much for watching. We love you all as always. And we'll see you again in the next video. Bye. Let's see what's gonna be the day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But anyway, thank you. We'll see you again. Bye. So we're going to set this baby up. And then here's my phone. And then we'll just continue to connect it on here. So this is how you set up your iPad. So yeah, and then we're just going to put it there. And then it is loading it, waiting for iPhone. And then I will set up for me. And then we'll see it on here. I'm going to put in my... Your account is protected by the passcode of your iPhone. Your passcode is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. After you enter this passcode, it will become the passcode for this iPad. So now I'm going to enter the passcode on that. So there you go. We're setting up. So bear with us on this one. And then it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. And then on my phone, finish on iPad. Keep this iPhone near your new iPad while your information is transferred. So we're going to keep you posted at... Oh, there you go. Data privacy, continue. Face ID, continue. And then I'm going to put it on my face. Let's see. There you go. Get started. And then I'm going to put it on my face. And then you're just going to do that. And then this one. And it's all set up. So continue setting it up. And then reposition your face and do it again. Slowly. There you go. Second face setup. Okay. And there you go. I signed in. I agreed on this one. And everything is being transferred to this one. So all my life now is going to be on this phone and iPad together. And there you go. Transfer your apps and data. Probably not, no.
You don't need to.
Yeah, don't transfer anything because I want to reserve the gigabytes that I have on here. It's reading. And then make this new iPad. Yes. Here's everything set up you had on your phone. Continue. Enabled location. Yes. And then this one, I'll add it later for the cards. I'll add it later. 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 So you get the gist of this one. You're just going to add it later. So there you go. Get started. And voila. You have everything on your fingertips. There you go. There's how you set it up. We hope that you like this one.